Hey guys, look what I found. It's game stuff. Look, I found Glamrock, Chica, and Roxanne Wolf. Okay. Back. Oh, okay. Ow. Oh, let's make me in the face. Wait. So, yeah, I found these two at GameStop. I went looking for the plushies, but instead I found these. Looks like they're at my GameStop. They're not going to be here until like October or something. But yeah, let's open it up. Okay. Here. Okay, there we go. Yes, I have a satisfying sound. Here. There. And I get the guitar because I'm so close to the camera.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
Oh, okay. Is it good? Okay. It's a guitar. Let's actually go take a Glamrock check out. One second, I'll be right back. Okay, got some scissors. And cut. And cut. There we go. That was it. Leg. Fall out that leg. Oh crap, her arm fell off. She her hand. Her hand came off. Cut the hand. Okay. Just gotta put this on and there. Oh, okay. Come here and let me fix you. There we go. There we go. Roxanne. Oh gosh. I'm so close to the camera right now. Yes. And here's Roxanne. I just get the scissors. A little snip. And a little snip. I gave her key for the guitar. I don't know what this is. What do you could call this? It's like a keyboard. It's like a guitar, but with piano keys on it. It's really weird. But definitely get Roxanne. I always think it's easier to pull out by the feet. See those feeties? Pull the feet. Oh, I took the feet off on accident. Oops. Oh, there goes the arm. Oh gosh, I am tearing apart these characters today. Gosh. Let's take from back here, and here's Roxanne. So he accidentally took off her legs. Wait, one second, I'll be right back. Okay, stood them in a pose, and here you go. I don't know if this is actually how they're supposed to be. I definitely know, but that's probably not how Roxanne's supposed to be holding the keyboard guitar thing. But yeah, just admire them for a second. Okay, you don't? Okay. So, my opinion on these characters, I actually do think they are actually very good. Like, besides like the reused parts. Okay, excuse me, Wizard Party from the past. So yeah, this is a recording from a few days later. This video, I've been pretty busy. And yeah, I've redone Roxanne a little. I didn't really think Glamrock Chica needed some changing, but Roxanne definitely did. And here, let's bring the camera closer. I gave her like a little like face paint on the side of their head. I gave her little like kind of same thing she has on her chest, and also I gave her like little hairlines. So yeah, I did that. But The reason why this is happening is because what I said in the old recording was total nonsense. So yeah. So yeah, I have a theory that they well, not theory, there's I think they might have reused Rockstar Foxy's arms for her, but I don't know, they just look kind of similar, and but I do think they look pretty good. Sure, their heads are reused and stuff, but yeah, I think they look pretty good. Yeah, that's basically all I have to say. So, bye.